In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus. In this piece, we need to know the notes G, A, B flat and C. If you look at the flute diagrams on your screen, you'll notice that for B flat, your thumb needs to go on the circle key here that's next to the long thumb key that you probably usually use. So you're going to need to move your thumb over a little bit to the left to that key there. You can actually keep your thumb on this key for G and A too. It won't make them a G flat or an A flat as it only affects the B. This is how they should sound. I'm going to play those notes again, but using the rhythm that you can see on your screen on each note. Here so you can practice those notes and that rhythm, and then you're ready to learn the next section. We're now going to put those notes and that rhythm together and learn the instrumental part. The red and the blue lines are exactly the same, apart from the last note. Both parts go G, G, B flat, A, B flat, but the last note in the red line goes up to a C, like this. And the last note in the blue line goes down to an A, like this. Pause the video here and practice both parts, and then you can choose either the red or the blue line for the performance. Now that you've had time to practice, I'd like you to try and play your part along with me. I'll be playing the red line, but you can play the blue line if that's the part that you've chosen. There's a 4-bar piano introduction, and then we'll play that phrase 4 times. Here we go. After 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.